Good morning, Architect Paola. Welcome to the construction sites. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Architect Francesca. I'm glad to see that the first advances of the foundation are already here.
That's right. As you can see, we are working on the elaboration of the columns, and also we need to check that the materials that we are going to use are enough.
That's not necessary. I've already checked and they're enough. In other topic, are you going to be working on Christmas season?
Yes, I am. We need to finish this construction as soon as possible to start opening the finishing touch.
Returning to the topic of the columns, as can be seen, the rods are already in place.
Yes, after the settings of the columns, we must have planned the purchase of the floors because they will take time alright.
I'm working on it, don't worry.
That's perfect. And what about the construction of the new hospital? Are you working on the plans?
I'm very little after finishing this project. Everyone is happy with the results.
I am glad to know this project will significantly boost your career. It will be excellent for your resume.
I know, I am receiving proposals thanks to him. Would you like to help me in some? I need fresh ideas and I know you have them.
Wow, thank you very much. It will be great to be collaboration with you. Count out count on it.
Great, we will agree in a few days. Changing the subject, how was your trip to Paris? I like the photos you post on Instagram.
It was spectacular. My boyfriend was delighted that we traveled to such a romantic place.
I'm planning to go with my husband next year. We are very excited.
I am very happy. I have to go. My boyfriend is talking to me to inspect our work. See you later.
Bye. Always nice to see you.